Hello everyone, hope you're doing well and welcome to the Python Complete course. In this video we're going to talk about models in Python. Before jumping over to the main point, hit the subscribe button and hit the bell icon. It will motivate us for creating more useful content for you. A model in Python is a file containing a Python codes like function, classes and variables that can be reused across different programs. Models help to organize code into manageable pieces and promote reusability. The question is here why we use models in Python. There are three reasons for using of models in Python. The first one is code reusability. This means that write once, use anywhere. The second one is modularity. This means that divide code into logical sections for better readability and maintenance. The third reason is built-in functionality. Access pre-written Python libraries for common tasks like math, OS, datetime. There are some types of models, built-in models, where we can install with Python, or we can say pre-installed with Python, like math, OS, random, and so on. The second one is user-defined models, which is created by users to organize their code. And the third one is third-party models, so installed via package managers. So now let's practice and import a model into our project. So for this, what we are going to do, first we are going to use the import keyword. You can use the import statement to include a model in your code. So for this, we are going to import math keyword. That's it. And now let's create a variable with the name of result and equal to math dot square. So now let's define the square of 16. So I'm going to say print result. Now let's save this and let's run, and here you can see the square of 16 is 4. This is the model that we import by using the import keyword, and this is the square function that we get from this model that we import here, the math model. So hope it's clear for you until this point. There are some variants for importing. We can import the entire models if you want that. You can also import the specific functions or variables. Also, you can import everything from that model you want. It's not recommended for larger models due to a namespace pollution. So now let's practice every single one of them. If you want to import the entire model that we have already did that right here. Now let me create another. We're going to print and we are going to say math.py. Save this. Let's run. Here you can see this is the way of importing the entire model. And now let's get a specific function or variable from this math model. So we're going to say, let me remove this. We are going to say from math model we need, or you can import sqrt function comma pi variable. So for this we are going to say print square 25 and print pi. So this is the function you can see that we import from math model, and this is the variable that we are going to specify to get from this model. And when we run this, here you can see the square of 25 is 5, and this is the pi variable from this math model. or you can also get everything from the model. Now let's remove this, and we are going to say, just instead of specific function name or variable, we are going to use this star. This means that everything, we need everything from exist inside this model. We are going to say print square 49. And now let's save this and print. Here you can see. So hope you understand until this point. So now let's create a user defined model. For this we are going to create a new file. Let's use the control N, and here we are going to specify the Python, and we are going to save this. Inside the file we are going to name this my underscore model. That's it. Now here we're going to create user define model. That's it. Now let's create a model. For this we are going to create a function with the name of greet and pass the parameter name, and after that we are going to use the return keyword to return a message from the user. I'm going to say name, and again we are going to create another variable. So we're going to say if add a separate by comma b, and this will return a plus b. And now when we want to print this is the user defined function that we this is the user defined model that we have created right now. So now let's jump over to our models class here, and we are going to use the model that we have created. So for this we are going to say import my underscore model. The name of this file that we have created, this model, is my underscore model. And after that we are going to use the print function, print my model dot greet the function that we have created else. So this will print for us a message, and the next one is print my model dot add, and we're going to say 3, separate them with a comma, and 5. Now let's save this, and when we print this, here you can see. So as you can see, we have created the models. It includes 2 functions, and here we have import our created model and pass the value to the functions that we have created. So hope you understand until this point. Now what we are going to do, there are some built-in models in Python that we have already used. One of them, which is math. The second one is random. Now let's use the random, and after that we're going to create a simple print function. We're going to say random comma rendent 1.1 comma 10, and we are going to say print again and use a random model dot choose and add some colors. Separate blue and red, green, excuse me. Now let's save this, and now let's print, and here you can see one and color is red. And now let's run this again. 6, color green. When we run again, blue, and number is 2. So this will choose a random number from 1 to 10, and this will choose a random RGB color: red, green, blue and green. So hope you understand until this point. Now let's use another example. Let's use another model, which is date time. So we are going to say import date. Here you can see time, excuse me, from, we are going to say from, we are going to get import date and time function. After that we are going to use the print function. Print date and time dot now. Now let's save this, and this is the time, the exact time of using this example. Models allow you to organize and reuse code efficiently. Python provides a rich set of built-in models, and you can create your own or use third-party models. Use import to access functions, classes, or variables defined in a model. Model improve readability, maintainability, and modularity of Python programs. That's it. Hope you understand until this point. If you have any question, any suggestion, please leave the comment below. If you didn't subscribe this channel, make sure to subscribe this channel. It will motivate us for creating more useful content.